Got an 06 Triton here that we just finished up a recarpet job and installed a bunch of custom BassBoatDek pads in it. So really, really cool layout. The customer opted in kind of to the total package for this boat. So we've got a padded front deck with all new 20-ounce carpet throughout, all new trim around the entire perimeter, so all new trim lock. Looks like a brand new boat. We are doing these recarpet jobs in-house. We are not outsourcing this to a third party. This is fully in-house. Our guys take a really good appreciation in making sure we have nice tight edges, folded corners, everything looks great. So got 20-ounce carpet on this, padded front deck pad like a modern boat. On this one, it's just the casting area or the fishing area. Customer opted not to do the lids. We can do the lids if you guys want. Just note it's a little bit of weight to the front, so if you're a speed demon, you just want to do the front pad. We did a full scan on this boat, so we actually did all new pads where there was the old kind of deteriorated black foldable pads that the boats came with, those rubberized pads that kind of deteriorate. So we've got our material everywhere, the co-angler spot, this rod tip protector area, and the coolest part is the floor. Customer opted for our dark gray over gray with the Triton logo and a hexagon pattern in the floor. Looks really good. Pretty much brought this, what is essentially about to be a 20-year-old boat, into being almost brand new. So really, really cool looking boat. And man, the carpet job and the pads really bring a new life to this thing. So if you guys are looking to get your boat recarpeted or just get pads installed, or you need some scans done, give us a call. Sonar Pros Electronics. We'll get you guys covered and bring your bass boat to new condition.